Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your software from malware with Malwarebytes, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading Malwarebytes from the official website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Malwarebytes homepage. Locate the download button, usually prominently displayed on the page. Click the download button to initiate the process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up Malwarebytes. Choose your preferred installation language and click Next. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Select the installation location or keep the default settings, then click Next. After installation, launch the Malwarebytes application. You may be prompted to create a new account or log in. If you're a new user, select the option to create a free account. Fill in the required information and follow the prompts to verify your account. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard of Malwarebytes. To begin a scan, click on the Scan button. Choose the type of scan you wish to perform: quick, custom, or threat scan. For a comprehensive check, select Threat Scan. Click the Scan button to initiate the scan. Wait for the scan to complete, which might take several minutes. Upon completion, Malwarebytes will display a summary of any detected threats. Review the list of threats carefully, noting the recommended actions. To remove detected threats, click the Quarantine or Remove button. After the removal process is finished, you can choose to restart your computer. For ongoing protection, enable the Real-Time Protection feature. Access the Settings menu and navigate to the Security tab. Ensure that the Real-Time Protection option is toggled on. You can also customize notifications and scheduled scans in the settings. Regularly update Malwarebytes to maintain optimal protection. Navigate to the My Account section in the app. Click on Check for updates to download the latest definitions and software updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.